what's going on YouTube? My name is Curtis. Welcome to the channel. I look extra ugly in this video because I'm actually using my brand new Sony camera. So we're upgrading the YouTube videos for you guys because I want you guys to have the highest quality content. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. But yeah, let's get into the trail. Check out this new camera and see how she does.
Yeah, let's scratch that thing. Dog out. Huh? Good God, this is like the steepest fucking...
That's honestly, look at that, dude.
Yeah, so he gets to drive up it and I gotta fucking hike up it and... Wait, you're gonna have to censor that. Can't see. Oh. Wow.
Crazy looking. Crazy looking. Also, a little update on the truck. This Thursday we're having it all buff, wax, all the scratches taken off so we can get ready for that wrap. So still haven't figured out what color I want yet, but we're gonna buff all the scratches out and then hopefully we're not gonna scratch it by the time we get the wrap on there. Alright guys, sorry about those clips on the video. We had the camera in the wrong mode, so hopefully this one's gonna be crispy. I'm just kind of messing with the camera right now, trying to figure out what's good, what's not. It's kind of hard when you go out and you're in Arizona. Super bright, the ground is like white, so everything's blown out. So some of those clips are a little crusty, but from now on, the shots are gonna be fire, so make sure you guys stay tuned. This weekend I'm going out with a couple of ZR2 homies. So the Z71 versus the ZR2. And it'll be fun. We're gonna do some rock crawling. It's very windy out here. I'm sorry if the wind noise is bad. I do have a little mustache on the microphone. I'm not sure if it's gonna block out all this wind, but we'll see. We're a learning curve over here. We're getting professional with the camera, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Also, we are cleaning up the truck for the wrap. So that big old gouge I got on this video, we are paint matching the little scratches. I'm gonna get it buffed. Matrix Auto Detailing in Queen Creek is gonna fully buff and make the truck look nice and black so I can wrap black on top of it again. I'm actually debadging the truck too, so gonna get all those badges off, put a nice wrap on there, and then we can really scratch it up so the wrap is covering it. So yeah, I mean, I've never used this paint stuff before, but I don't know if you can tell, but cover that up thick. We're gonna sand it down, then buff it out. So, but yeah, hopefully the camera does these shots justice. It is beautiful out here today. Been having some rain, so Box Canyon is gonna look crazy, and there's gonna be a bunch of mud puddles. So, hell yeah, check it out. Appreciate you guys watching. I love you guys so much for watching. I'm upgrading the channel for you guys because I want you guys to have good quality content. You guys are awesome. Make sure to check out my merch, downtimeloss.com. I love you guys so much. Peace out. Bye.